हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल यूट्यूब स्टोरीज विद बादशाह। मैंने अपने चैनल का नाम चेंज किया, उज्ज्वल से बादशाह किया। मैंने अपने पिछले वीडियो में भुवन बम के बारे में दिखाया था। मैंने यूट्यूब वीडियो से उसे रिकॉर्ड किया था और आज मैं आशीष संचालिनी के बारे में दिखाऊंगा। आशीष संचालिनी एक फेमस यूट्यूबर है, एक यूट्यूब चैनल खोला है जिसका नाम है आशीष संचालिनी वाइन्स। तो चलिए देखते हैं।
Drama. That is ridiculous. Let's just imagine if Bollywood started accepting people like that. Like, oh wait, you want to become an actor? Show me your mark sheet. Yeah, he's nice in maths, bro. He needs to become an actor. He's nice in biology. He's the next Imran Hashmi, bro. Awesome. That's ridiculous. Until 8th standard, I was in my class. I was mimicking my PT teacher, and my social studies teacher caught me mimicking my PT teacher, and I froze. I was frightened. I was scared. Oh shit. I'm like, he caught me. And then he comes close to me and he bursted out laughing. And then he laughed, then I laughed, then he laughed, then I laughed. And then he said, stop, I'll get you suspended if you do it again. What I'm trying to say is that sir came and he told me that, I really liked your mimicry. Would you like to be in my drama? I'm the next director. And I had this over-dramatic moment at that time. And I was speechless. I went, of course. I want to become an actor. I just wanted this opportunity to come on stage and become an actor. And sir assigned me the role of a news reporter. Now look at me. I just watch movies. I didn't know what a news reporter acted like. I sucked at playing a news reporter. Even in the Times of India, I don't read Times of India. I read Bombay Times. I read the gossip wala column. Okay? So I sucked at playing a news reporter until one day, what happened was, one of my juniors, he played in the drama, he played the role of a trash king Don. I don't remember. It was Kachra Seth, not going into details. So he was absent, and sir thought that he's absent, why don't you play the replacement? So you have to give cues to your co-actors. So I just played a replacement actor. I just had to give cues, but I'm not a person who likes to give cues, or I don't want to be the replacement. So I just added my own flavor to it. And I added my own comic flavor to it, and my sir loved it. And he said, bro, you know what? You are playing this character. And I got that character, and I was absolutely confident in that. And this was my first successful role that I bagged in my life. It was the role of a trash king. But it was huge for me. And I feel sorry for the junior, by the way. He was absent on that day. The next day he comes to school, he realizes he's been replaced. Just imagine, he was never absent after that. So, the day came, the annual day came. I came on stage, I uttered my first dialogue, and people laughed. People laughed. And it was a wonderful feeling. That day I decided that this is what I always wanted. This is my love. This is my ultimate love. Acting is my life. I always wanted to become an actor. I wanted to portray a character, be on stage, be in front of people. And I had this acting dream, so it continued until I passed my 10th, and I went up to my dad and I told him, Dad, मुझे actor बनना है. Now, if you tell this to your parents, mostly, मुझे actor बनना है, लड़का गया, खत्म. This is the most reaction. But my dad gave me a very diplomatic reply. He told me, son, if you want to become an actor, I won't be stopping you. As I told you, my dad owned a single screen theater, and now he owns a multiplex. He's in the film fraternity, so he's connected to the film fraternity. And he knows everything about actors. And he comes and tells me that, you want to go ahead, you can go ahead. But let me tell you, this road is long. It's full of struggles. It's full of obstacles. And you don't know how you will end up. So I warn you. You want to become anyone in your life, go ahead. I'm with you. But this path, it can disappoint you. It can break you. Dude, I was a kid. I didn't know how to react to it. So, after hearing that, my acting dream died at that moment. I closed my door of becoming an actor, and I chose science. The reason behind choosing science was that my people around me kept saying, science. So I chose science. Then I ended science. Then people kept telling, engineering. अब इंजीनियरिंग में 5 टाइप होते हैं. कंप्यूटर मुझे पसंद नहीं. IT, कंप्यूटर का दूसरा नाम IT. इलेक्ट्रिकल, मैकेनिकल, 3 इडियट्स देखी थी, नहीं करना था. बाकी बची सिविल इंजीनियरिंग. I chose civil engineering, and after semesters of vivas, submissions, journals, assignments, These are hashtag terms for engineers, as we all know. Look at the people, the faces. As I'm saying this, kal yaar assignment karna hai. Look at these faces. So these, after semesters of it, one day I was sitting in my classroom, and it was boiling down. It was building up in me from a week that I did not choose acting. Okay, एक तो वो साल बहुत नए नए actors launch हो रहे थे और दिमाग खराब हो रहा था, ठीक है? And it was building up in me. If I didn't, and I was in a geotechnical engineering lecture, and my sir was teaching God knows what. People are learning around. They are like, yeah, I'm understanding. What the hell are you understanding? I'm so frustrated with my life over here. It's building up in me, building up in me, building up in me. And I bursted out. I ran away from college. I came home. I cried. I cried because I knew this is not me. This was not me. This is not what I wanted to become. Yes, I took a wrong decision. Yes, I took a wrong decision, and I accepted the fact I took a wrong decision, but this is not me. And then I went up to Dad again, and I told him, Dad, मुझसे नहीं हो रही है engineering. मुझसे engineering नहीं हो रही है. And my dad gave me a very good reply. He told me, listen, son, I know you're frustrated. I know you're frustrated, and you have been through a lot. But believe me, everything will be fine. You want to become an actor? You can become an actor. I'm with you. Go ahead. Maybe I gave you my advice. It was an honest advice to you. And then he told me life always finds a way. It will find for you. And exactly 1 month later, I was scrolling through my Facebook feed. I saw a short 6.5-second video of a guy named David Lopez. This short 6.5-second videos would change my life forever. I did not know it. I saw this video. It was funny. It was about a guy who was clicking a selfie, and a killer photobombs the selfie, and he kills the killer. That was the joke. And it was very funny. So I discovered the term Vine, as introduced by our host. Vine is a app, like any other social media app, where we post 6.5-second looping videos. They can be of any genre. They can be comedy, they can be VFX, musical. And I thought maybe, you know what, I should give it a try. Kya pata? It was just an experiment. It was nothing I started it with like, I have to make a career in Vine. It was not what I intended to. It was just, चल करते ना देखते क्या है. वैसे भी geotechnical engineering किसको पढ़नी है, ठीक है? So I started that, and I copied my first 3 Vines. I'm being very honest over here on the stage. I copied my first 3 Vines from international Viners, and I posted my first Vine. It was uploading. It got uploaded. I waited. I got my first notification. It was the first comment. I opened the comment. I died. I got my second comment, I died again. So I was getting a slew of negative comments, which I deleted until I got my first positive comment so that I can tell people, see, I got a positive comment. That's how you live life, okay? You have to just get all the negativity out of you guys, okay? Then, after 3 videos, I realized that maybe I should stop copying and maybe I should make something desi. You know, I'm in India. Come on, man, I should not copy Angrez. I have my own country, I have my own content, I have my own people. Namune to har desh mein hai, mere bhi desh mein namune hai. And there are many proud things also to be made on Vine. So, I made my first Vine on every cooking girl's main item, Maggi. I made my first Vine on Maggi, and it was a huge success. And do you guys know what huge success, by huge success I mean? You know, on Instagram, first 10 likes are usernames. You guys are on Instagram, right? The first 10 likes are usernames, it's a word, and as soon as you get the 11th like, it changes into number. That was my first Vine that changed into number. That was success for me. And then I started making Vines on desi flavors. I took day-to-day topic from these videos. I took day-to-day topic from people, my friends. By the way, I did not leave engineering. I was continuing it. This experiment was going, and it started from a mere 200 followers. And now I have 277,000 followers on Instagram. Now, I'll be just skipping to the part because shayad my time zyada he gave me that signal. So, I'll be telling you what happened in my life. Social media happened in my life. It even did it in your life too, but in my life it happened in a different way. What I'm trying to say is that if you suppress talent, if you suppress it, it oozes out of a crack. It comes out. Like my dad said, life finds a way out, talent also finds a way out. And this crack, internet for me. And this crack has widened now. You guys have the opportunity to become anyone or anything on internet, and you don't need to travel to Mumbai and audition for roles. It's one of the methods. It's one of the stage. This is a stage. Realistically speaking, this is a stage. I'm talking in front of you people. There's the Bollywood stage where people audition. Lakhs and lakhs of people come every day and they audition for roles, and only one person gets a chance and they get disappointed and then they come back. Now these people get disappointed, and you know, in our industry, there are many dud actors. These actors are there only because of references and contacts. And the really talented people, the ones who deserve, they don't get the chance because they don't have contacts. Maybe they don't pass the casting couch. I don't know. There are many factors about it. But social media is your answer. Social media is what that can change your life. It changed my life. And I can give you many examples of people who have made it huge on social media. Kamal R. Khan, I'm so sorry. Bad example. There is international se chalu karte Logan Paul. There's Kristen Del Grosso, King Bach. People recognize King Bach. He's a whiner. He started his career from a home and he was homeless. He was homeless. Okay, he started his career from road. I should say he just had a mobile. Internet, that's it. And he's earning in millions today. He's killing it out there. And he's one of the, I should say, he's the most followed whiner of the world, King Bach. इंडिया में भी टैलेंट है, इंडिया में भी अपने टैलेंट है. माई वेरी गुड फ्रेंड एंड माई कलीग भुवन बाम, BBK Wines. He is India's youngest personality to have 1 million followers on subscribers. And बंदे ने 18,000 लाइक से चालू किया था, घर से चालू किया था, एक सेल्फी कैमरा से. यही टैलेंट अगर वो किधर बॉलीवुड में लेके जाता या कोई और स्टेज पे लेके जाता, क्या पता, नहीं मिलता उसको, वो चांस नहीं मिलता. He couldn't have got that chance, but internet gave him the chance. Internet is now not only a medium of news or connectivity, it's a medium of internet. Big companies like Netflix, it's an online streaming service. It makes web series. Narcos, I am sure everybody's watching Narcos. Marvel's Daredevil, Jessica Jones, these shows. Marvel, company like Marvel, the biggest franchise in the world, makes it smaller B characters on web series. Why? Because it's easier to reach audience, it's uncensored, it's bold, and it can reach anywhere around the world. I would now come to a concluding point, of course. See, I'm not saying that I'm the most successful person in this country. I'm not saying that money is oozing out of my pocket. That is not happening. But what I'm trying to say is I'm happy. I'm happy doing what I love. And this internet, this social media gave me the chance to do it. And it can also give you, if you are an artist, any artist, and by artist I mean everyone, even a chef. Have you seen those Facebook pages, Deeply and Tasty, that make you hungry at midnight? Have you seen, who are the people behind those pages? These are the same people who never really got chance in restaurants and cafes. Social media is the new stage, the biggest stage this world has, where you can express your talents, and your talent, your skill will decide what type of audience you get. That's what I'm trying to say. If you're not happy, then stop lying to yourself that you're happy. The moment you will stop lying to yourself that you're not happy, the day you will discover that what you want to become in your life. This is my message to all. If you are in a field that you love, please accept it. Please accept it. Come out and do what your heart says. And maybe social media is the answer. Maybe social media is the key. Social media is the way to showcase your talent. That's it, guys. I'll say.
तो दोस्तों, ये था हमारा आशीष भाई के ऊपर वीडियो. अगर आपको मेरा ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. और भाई लोग प्लीज़ सपोर्ट करो और बेल आइकन को बजाना ना भूलना. बाय बाय.